Today we're examining the field of precision grinding with Sam's top-tier grinding wheels. Whether you're in manufacturing, automotive, or glass processing, Sam has the perfect grinding wheel to meet your needs. First up, let's talk about their diamond grinding wheels. These aren't your average wheels. They're embedded with synthetic diamonds, offering superior hardness and abrasion resistance. Perfect for precise grinding of hard and brittle materials, they ensure a high-quality finish every time. Whether you're working with hard alloys or ceramics, these wheels deliver unmatched performance. Next, we have the resin bond diamond grinding wheels. Engineered specifically for grinding carbide, ceramics, and other non-metallic materials, these wheels feature self-sharpening characteristics. This means they maintain their efficiency longer, giving you consistent results without frequent wheel changes. Ideal for precision tasks where durability and performance are crucial. For those dealing with steel and hard alloys, Sam offers the Resin Bond CBN grinding wheel. Made with cubic boron nitride, these wheels boast high thermal stability and exceptional grinding efficiency. They're tailor-made for grinding steel, ensuring that even the toughest materials are handled with ease. Then there's the vitrified bond diamond grinding wheel, perfect for grinding ceramics and glass. With excellent chip clearance and thermal conductivity, these wheels handle high-precision and heat-resistant applications effortlessly. If your projects require meticulous detail and accuracy, this is the wheel for you. Maintaining your grinding wheels is a breeze with the diamond dressing roller. It keeps your wheels sharp and perfectly shaped, ensuring optimal performance every time you use them. A small investment in maintenance, big returns in productivity. Don't forget about the flexible diamond CBN wheels. Combining diamond and CBN abrasives, these wheels are perfect for both ferrous and non-ferrous materials. Their adaptability makes them a favorite across various industries, providing reliable performance no matter the material. And for glass processing, Sam's glass polishing wheels like BKBD10S and X3000/X5000 deliver flawless finishes. Whether you're polishing during different stages of glass production, these wheels ensure precision and exceptional surface quality.